what you're going to see is the Norton stand up close. Motorcycle Live 2024. So this is the Norton Commando 961 SP. This is Norton's naked bike, midway. A lot of carbon going on here. So you got this carbon mudguard, you've got Bolin's high performance forks, and then you got this massive chrome casing as well. And this is an air-cooled engine. Norton being a very small manufacturer, they can get away with quite a lot. So you notice here, no baffle, a lot more free-flowing exhaust system, but that is pretty. But it feels like it's an engine from the 80s. So I secretly got to test ride. It's exactly this bike, but in a different colour. And the engine felt like it was from 30 years ago. Speedo, not easiest to read. You get a rev counter. That's where your key goes into. The controls are pretty basic. So, indicators, main beam, dip beam, starter. It's comfortable. Being a naked bike, it's a very comfortable position. There's no wind protection, which is just part of being a naked bike. The paint finish is very smooth. It's very nice. Lovely metallic black in there as well. But
I mean, as far as
definitely a big no for me. So Norton just purely focusing on the classic naked bike, and they have the V4 Superbike and they're super naked, and that's pretty much it really. Thanks for watching. Until I found